their cars looked after by the Scuderia and taken to tracks by Ferrari, and they can just play with them.
What a nice day out, isn't it? That is an incredible experience. 6.3 litre naturally aspirated V.
At the moment, but look at this car, it could be anything other than a Lamborghini. They've always had spectacular cars, usually spectacular cars, interesting sounds as well.
Oh, from the V8 twin turbo engine, all new. Oliver Gavin at the wheel, 6.2. And an electric motor as well. This gives it a combined 6.
Come on, get.
But in 1946, Thornbury Racing brought back to life, battered, improvised, running on machines and then
moving to the Lamborghini. Bears for 2026 onwards have this new super sleek body shape, and maybe that too will trickle over into GT3 racing that is growing like topsy at the moment. But look at this car, it couldn't be
It was V8 engine, so 3 motors, V8, rugged hybrid. Power figure 907 brokers. Built hybrid electric cars, but Lamborghini.
You don't throw away too far for what's made you what you are. These cars fully in my tip-top driving, Jack Bartholomew has been about a long time. Yeah. Super extreme.
Now, on the Porsche GT3 RS with Mandai
Ferrari model, so we'd already seen it in road car trim, but things keep on moving. The GT3 version is moving to the Lamborghini. Super Trofeo racer in the Super Trofeo for 2026 model. Maybe that too will trickle over into GT3.
And a Lamborghini next to me. See that? Told you!
You nearly rolled it.